How to make payment through the Barclaycard app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to make payment through the Barclaycard app. So you can make payment through the Barclaycard app. This offers convenient and secure way to manage your Barclaycard account. This includes making payment towards your credit card balance. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the payment section of the app. This may be labeled as payment or pay bill. Likewise, within the payment section, you should see option for making payment towards your Barclay account. This may include options such as make payments, pay bill, set up direct debit, or whatsoever. You could go ahead and choose the payment method you prefer to use. You may have the option to make one-time payment from a linked bank account. You could set up a recurring direct debit or use a debit card to make an immediate payment. Now follow the prompt to enter the payment amount and select the payment details and all that. Then confirm the payment, and then you need to go ahead and confirm. And once the payment is processed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the payment has been successfully submitted. Now ensure that you're using a secure internet connection, that you're logged out of the app after making payment, especially if you're using shared devices. Likewise, you can only pay a personal Barclaycard credit card bill built through the Barclays app at this time. So you can log in into select the Barclaycard account you'd like to pay. So that's how you can make payment through the Barclaycard app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.